Hello students, in this video we look at the elimination method in order to solve for x and y variable. That means in this method we eliminate one variable to find the value of the other variable. Okay, so let's begin by solving the first problem. So our first problem says x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So in elimination what we do, we have these two variables x and y, and we need to find the value of x and we need to find the value of y. So to do that we look to eliminate one of the variables. When we say eliminate, that means we get rid of one variable, either x or y. Okay, for that we need to cancel out a particular variable, and for that, in order to cancel out, we need to see that the constant or the coefficient of the variable becomes same and the signs are opposite. Okay, for example, now over here we have x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So for us to cancel anything over here, we need to make sure that they have opposite signs first, and their coefficients are the same. So here x has a coefficient of 1, here x has a coefficient of 2, here y has a coefficient of 1, and over here the coefficient of y is minus 3. So here the signs are opposite, we don't have to do anything. So let us try to make sure that the coefficient of y also becomes 3. So if we need to make the coefficient of y 3, then we will have to multiply this by 3. Okay, and we'll mark this as equation 1, x plus y equal to 5, and this will mark as 2 because we'll need them later on. So 3 into x gives us 3x, plus 3 into y gives us 3y, and 3 into 5 gives us 15. We'll keep this the same, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now that we have got the coefficients are the same, 3, okay, for the same variable y, and signs are opposite. So now we can add this 2. Okay, so we add them up, and 3 plus 2 will give us 5x, plus 3y minus 3y cancels out, 15 plus 4 gives us 19. Okay, so 5x equal to 19 we get. 5 is multiplied with x. If we take it on the other side, it will get divided. So, and we will get x equal to 19 upon 5. So we've got one variable. Now we need to find out the second variable, which is y. So to do that, what we do is we'll mark this as 3, and we say substitute 3 in equation 1, which is this one. So instead of, this is x plus y equal to 5, instead of x we write 19 upon 5 plus y equal to 5. Okay, now the denominator over here is 1. So if we need to add them, we will have to make sure the denominator is the same. So for that we need to take the LCM, which is 5. So we multiply the numerator and denominator with 5, and we get 5y upon 5 equal to 5. This can be written as 19 plus 5y upon 5 equal to 5. 5 goes on the other side, it gets multiplied with 5, and we get 19 plus 5y equal to 25. Fine. 19 goes on the other side, becomes negative, and we get 5y equal to 25 minus 19. 5y is equal to 6. 25 minus 19 is 6. And y can be written as 6 upon 5. Okay. So we get the value of x and y. So x is equal to 19 upon 5 and y is equal to 6 upon 5. Easy. So just need to remember that to eliminate a variable, now in this case we eliminated y variable to find out the value of x, which we got here, and then we used x, we substitute the value of x in equation 1. We can substitute the value of x even in equation 2 and we will get the same answer. So it need not be necessary. I just found it is easier to substitute it in equation 1 rather than 2, so I put it in equation 1. We eliminate one variable to get another variable, and that is called as an elimination problem. Next problem says 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. So once again we have got the signs are opposite over here, but the coefficients are different. Here the coefficient is 4, here it is 2. So in order to make it 4 over here, we just need to multiply the entire equation by 2. So we'll mark this as 1 and this as 2, and we multiply this entire equation by 2, which will get multiplied on either side. So 2 into 2x gives us 4x, and and 2 into minus 2y will give us minus 4y, and 2 into 2 gives us 4. Okay, and this we can add to 3x plus 4y equal to 10. That is the equation 1. Now let us add them up. 4x plus 3x gives us 7x, minus 4y plus 4y cancels out, 4 plus 10 gives us 14. Okay, so 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, and we get x is equal to 2. We mark this as 3 and we say substitute 3 in equation 1. So 3x, instead of x I put 2, plus 4y equal to 10. Okay. 3 into 2 becomes 6 plus 4y equal to 10. 6 goes on the other side, becomes negative. 10 minus 6 gives us 4. 4 and 4 cancels, we get y equal to 1. Hence we have x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So once again, easy to solve. We just made sure over here in this equation that the coefficient is the same as the coefficient of y is the same as that in equation 1. Since the signs were opposite, we could cancel them out, and we managed to get x and y. Let's solve another problem. Our next problem says 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Our first job is to rearrange them, and we need to make sure that the constant in this case, which is on the left hand side, should go on the right hand side, and over here one of the variables is on the right hand side. Let us take them on the left hand side. So in this case what we'll do is 3x minus 5y, and this minus 4 I'm taking it on the right hand side, so that will become positive. In this case 9x I keep it on the left hand side, and 2y, which is positive, I bring it on the left hand side, so it changes sign to minus 2y, and I leave 7 the way it is. I mark this as equation 1 and 2. Next, our task is to make sure that the coefficient of any one of them is the same. So let us go with x this time. Okay, now we do have similar signs. Okay, the signs are the same, not similar. It's minus for both of them in y and plus for both of them in x. We'll see what we can do later on. First, let us try to make sure that the coefficients are the same of at least one variable. This time we'll target x. So I multiply this equation with 3. So I get 9x minus 5y, sorry, not 5y, 3 into 3 9x, 3 into minus 5 gives us minus 15y, 3 into 4 gives us 12. We keep this 9x here, minus 2y, so I'm just rewriting equation 2. Now we've got the coefficients the same for the same variable, but both are positive, and in order to eliminate x, variable x, we need to make sure the signs are opposite. So what we do is we change the sign throughout for just this equation, that is equation 2. And whatever is plus will become minus, whatever is minus will become plus. So if we change the sign throughout, this is positive, this becomes negative, we write it just down over here. Minus will become positive, plus will become negative over here. So wherever the sign is not written, that means it is positive. Make sure you write the change of sign below the numeral, below the number and not above the number. Okay, so that tells you that there is a change of sign. It will help the examiner also in finding out that you have changed signs, and if you need to revisit the problem, in case if you feel that you have made a mistake, it will avoid confusion for you. Okay, so now 9x minus 9x cancels out, minus 15y plus 2y, do not get confused. Okay, the sign has been changed now. Minus 15y plus 2y will give us minus 13y, sign of the greater number. Here 12 minus 7 will give us 5. If it confuses you, then you are welcome to put a positive sign over here and here as well. Okay, though not necessary. Now that we have got this, what we do is 13 will go on the other side and it will get divided, and we put the negative sign on the right hand side, so that will go to the numerator and we get y is equal to minus 5 upon 13, and we'll mark this as 3. Now we need to substitute 3 in any one. So let us go with equation 1. So we have 3x minus 5y. So 3x. Now we need to find out variable x, value of x. Instead of 5y, we'll put 5 into minus 5 upon 13. Okay, and here equal to 4. Right. So minus into minus gives us plus, and 5 will get multiplied into 5 will give us 25. So 3x plus 25 upon 13 equal to 4. Okay. Now to make sure that to add both of them, we will have to take an LCM to make sure that the denominators are common or the same. So 13 into 3 gives us 39x plus 25 whole thing upon 13 equal to 4. Then 13 will be multiplied with 4 and we will get 39x plus 25 equal to 52. Okay. Now 25 will go on the other side and we will get 39x equal to 52 minus 25, right, and this will give us 39x equal to 52 minus 25 gives us 27. X we keep it over there, 27 remains as a numerator and 39 gets divided in the denominator. Fine. Now both the numerator and the denominator get divided in 3 times table. So 3 9s are 27 and 3 13s are 39. So we get x is equal to 9 upon 13. And we can write over here x is equal to 9 upon 13 and y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. So in this case we found out y first and later we got x. And there was another difference over here. The signs had to be changed throughout for one of the equations in order for us to eliminate one variable to find out another variable, which in this case was y. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to solve for x and y using elimination method. So that's all for in this video. Watch the next video where we will be solving more problems using elimination method. Thank you for watching.